The world's industries are accelerating digitalization with over $3.4 trillion being invested in the next 3 years. We at BMW strive to be leading edge in automotive digitalization. With NVIDIA Omniverse and AI, we set up new factories faster and produce more efficiently than ever. This results in significant savings for us.
Car companies employ nearly 14 million people. Digitalization will enhance the industry's efficiency, productivity, and speed. Omniverse is the digital to physical operating system to realize industrial digitalization.
The world's largest industries are racing to digitalize their physical processes. Today, that's a complex undertaking. With Omniverse Cloud, enterprises can fast-track unified digitalization and collaboration across major industrial workflows, increasing efficiency, reducing costs and waste, and accelerating the path to innovation.
Omniverse can unify the end-to-end workflow and digitalize the $3 trillion, 14 million employee automotive industry.